Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of supplementary paper, that is board paper September 2020. In my previous video I have completed till question number 26. Now let us begin from question number 27. Here we can see in the figure given, here we can see the figure also. This is y-axis and this is x-axis they have given, and they have drawn the triangle ABC on it. Okay, in the figure the vertices of triangle ABC are A06, B80 and C58. Okay, if CD perpendicular to AB, then find the length of altitude CD. Here we can see D is not a midpoint of AB. We can see here D is not a midpoint, it is a altitude. So it is, here we can see it's a smaller part and here it's a bigger part. So it's not a midpoint. So what they have told, find the length of CD they have told. Here how we can find the length of CD? Here we can find the length of CD like area by using area of triangle formula. Area of triangle is equals to, we know that half into base into height. Area of triangle by using 3 points formula we can do half as it is. Base is nothing but AB and height we get CD. By using this formula we can find the length of CD. Okay, let us write the given points. Question number 27. Given points are A06, B80, and C58. These are the given points. Now let us find area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. This is x1 y1 first point, second point x2 y2, third point x3 y3. Let us substitute now. Half x1 value is 0 into y2 value is 0 minus y3 is 8 plus x2 8, y3 also 8 minus y1 is 6 plus x3 5, y1 6 minus y3 8. y3 is 8, but here y3 no, y2 is 0, last one is y2. Okay, half 0 into any number is 0 multiply by anything, this bracket multiply by 0 is 0, plus 8 into 8 minus 6 is 2, plus 5 into 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, so half 0 plus 8 2s are 16 plus 5 6 are 30. Okay, half into 30 plus 16 is 46. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So area of triangle ABC what we got? 23 square unit. So this area we got. Now we need to find here distance AB we need to find. So let us find the distance AB. Distance A06 and B80. Okay, let us find distance formula. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between AB is equals to root of first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2. x2 8 minus x1 0 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 6 whole square. AB is equals to root of 8 minus 0 is 8 square plus 0 minus 6 is minus 6 square. AB is equals to 8 square is 64 plus negative number square is positive, 6 square is 36. AB is equals to 64 plus 36 is 100 and AB is equals to 10 unit. Here AB distance is 10. Now we will find the area length CD. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base is BC, AB, base is AB, height is CD. Base AB into height CD. Area of triangle we got 23. Just now we found half into AB 10 into CD. Okay. Now here 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 23 is equals to 5 CD. CD is equals to 23 by 5. That is, we can divide and see 5 4s are 20. 3 remains 0.0. 5 6s are 30. That is 4.6 unit. We can write, therefore, the length of altitude CD is equals to 4.6 unit. This is the question number 27th one. Now we can see here in 27th question there is a choice. We can find, show that the triangle whose vertices are A 8 minus 4, B 9 5 and C 0 8 0 4 is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove that this triangle is isosceles triangle. We can prove. So given question number 27, or it is given points are so A B C D, A B C are the given points. I have drawn the triangle here and I have written A B and C. Now they have told, show that this triangle is isosceles triangle. So let us see, let us take side AB now. Side AB, distance between A and B. A 8 minus 4 and B 9 5. We need to find the distance. We need to find the sides. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Okay. Let us find the distance of AB. We know distance formula D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First point x1 y1. Second point x2 y2. Okay. Let us distance between which AB. AB is equals to root of x2 is 9 minus x1 8 whole square plus y2 5 minus y1 minus 4. AB is equals to 9 minus 8 is 1 square plus 5 plus 4. 5 minus plus 4 whole square. AB is equals to root of 1 square is 1 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 square is 81. 9 square is nothing but 81. AB is equals to root of 81 plus 1 is 82. So we should keep this AB is equals to root 82. Now like that way we will check BC. Point B is 9, 5 and point C is 0, 4. Okay. BC distance is, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. We know formula root of x2 minus y2. So I'll write directly x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 5 whole square. Okay. BC is equals to root of 0 minus 9 is minus 9 whole square plus 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 5 is minus 1 whole square. Now let us see BC is equals to root of 9 square. Negative sign it will go when square comes. 9 square is 81 plus minus 1 square is only 1. So BC is equals to 81 plus 1 is 82. Like that way, now let us find AC. Point A is 8 minus 4. You can solve CA also or AC also. Point 8 minus 4 and C is 0, 4. Okay. So D is equals to AC is equals to root of x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is root of minus 8 square plus 4 minus plus 4 whole square. That is what we are going to get here is minus 8 whole square is 64. 4 plus 4 is 8. 64. Here 64 plus 64 is 128. We can see that here AB equal to BC and which is not equal to AC. That means two sides equal. Since the two sides are equal, therefore ABC is isosceles. They have asked us now isosceles triangle. Show that they have told. So we proved that it is isosceles triangle. 28. Calculate the mode for the following frequency distribution table. Class interval, frequency. Here class interval is given and frequency is given. We need to find the mode. We know when mode problem comes, we should focus on highest frequency. So I have written here for question number 28. So first thing is we should highlight highest frequency. 9 is the highest frequency, so we'll underline 9. Okay, now we know that F1, this is F1. I have told you in my previous video also, highest frequency is F1, above is F0 and below is F2. Highest frequency above is F0 and below is F2. Let us write, and L is same line lower limit. L is equals to 5. Okay, F1 is equals to 9, F0 is equals to 8, F2 is equals to 5 and size of the class interval H is equals to 5. Let us solve now mode formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. All problems for mode we are using same formula, so the steps also is same. What we have to do is L value is 5 plus F1 value is 9 minus F0 is 8 upon 2 into F1 9 minus F0 8 minus F2 5 into 5. Okay, so here 5 as it is plus 9 minus 8 is 1. Always here in denominator, this we have to multiply, this we have to add with the negative sign. 9 2s are 18, minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. Minus minus we should do plus, but sign will be minus. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 into 5. Okay, now 5 plus 1 upon 18 minus 13 is 5 into 5. 5 get cancelled. Now 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So mode is equals to 6. We got mode value is 6. So let us see the next question. Question number 29. Okay. It is, they have told here, it's OG. An insurance policy agent found the following data for the distributions of age of 35 policy holders. Draw a less than type, that is below. Below is nothing but less than type. Just to confuse you, they have written below. Below and less than type is exactly same of OG for the following data. Here age is given below 120, below 25, below 30, below 35, and number of policy holder also it is given 2, 6, 12, 16. Here they have given the CF only. You can see here it is gone increasing. So the question is direct. Only you have to plot the OG. What is given here? We can see this is nothing but below is nothing but less than only. Less than, you have to write less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, and already CF is given. This is given is nothing but CF. Okay. So now what we have to do is 20 to 25, 6, 30, 12 and 16, 35, 16, 40, 20, 45, 25, 50, 35. You have to plot the less than type OG, and you know that less than type it will come from down to up. What you have to do? Just you have to draw one OG. Here lower limits are 20, 25, 30, 35, exactly 1 centimeter you have to take, 40, 45, 50. Okay, then here you can see the 2 to 35. We can take 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, and 40. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and scale you should write. You should not forget to write scale, because scale is very important. X-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Like that, y-axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. You should not forget to write this. Now, here first point you can see here 22. 22 is here. Okay, you have to write. Then 25, 6, little above. Okay. Then 30, 12, here little above again. Then 35, 16. Okay. Then 40, 20. Then 45, 25. Then 50, 35. Like that, this OG down to up with free hand drawing curve we have to draw. This is the OG given. So you have to write the points, that is 22, then 25, 6, 30, 12, then 35, 16, here 40, 20, 45, 25 and 50, 35. This is the given OG, which is for 3 marks. Sometimes they give directly, sometimes you have to find CF also. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Let us see question number 30. Now in the triangle ABD, C is a point on BD such that BC is to CD is 1:2. Means this part is 1 and this part is double. And triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then prove that AD square is equals to 7AC square. Okay, let me draw the given figure what they have told. ABC is a equilateral triangle and AD is double of, okay, it's given A, B, C, D, and this is equilateral triangle. Okay, and this is 1:2. Let me write the given thing here. Here they have told data given is nothing but question number 30, right? Given is in triangle ABD. We can focus on in triangle ABD. Here they have told BC is to CD is 1:2. This is 1:2 they have told. And triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. It is told in the question. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to AC. I'll consider this as A. All sides are A. Okay. Here consider A full side. Okay. Now to prove what they have told, to prove they have told AD square is equals to 7AC square. This we have to prove. To prove that, let us draw one AE perpendicular to BC. Let us draw one line, that is AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, perpendicular divides equally. So if this full is A, then this is A by 2 and this part is A by 2. Half of A. Half of A is nothing but A by 2, A by 2. Okay. Now, let us see. We know that it is given BC is to CD is equals to 1:2. If EC 1, BC A, then CD will be 2A. It is the double part, so 2A. Okay. Now let us in triangle AEC. Let us focus here. In triangle AEC, angle AEC is 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square. Okay. So AC is A. A square is equals to, we don't know AE as it is. EC is A by 2 whole square. AC square minus A square upon 2 square is 4 is equals to AE square. Okay. 4 into A, 4A square minus A square upon 4 cross multiplied is equals to AE square. AE square is equals to 4A square minus A square is 3A square by 4, we got AE square is 3A square by 4. We'll keep as it is. Okay. Now our focus is AD square. AD comes in this triangle. So let us take this big triangle. In triangle, I'll do here. In big triangle, in triangle AED. In triangle AED, we can see that angle AED is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equals to AE square plus ED square. Okay. AD square we don't know. Let us write AD square only. AE square just now we have find. AE square value is 3A square by 4. Direct square value it is. So directly writing I am AE square means 3A square by 4 plus ED. E to D. This is A by 2 and this is 2A. I have written na. CD is 2A. So this is A by 2 and this is 2A. That means A by 2 plus 2A. A by 2 plus 2A whole square is ED value. Okay. AD square is equals to 3A square by 4. I'll write as it is. Plus let us solve here. A 2 2s are 4. A by 2 whole square. AD square is equals to 3A square by 4 as it is plus 4A plus A 5A by 2 whole square. Okay. Now AD square is equals to 3A square by 4 as it is plus 5 square is 25A square upon 2 square is 4. Now we can see denominator is same. AD square is equals to denominator 4 as it is. 25A square plus 3A square is 28A square. 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. Therefore, AD square is equals to 7A square. A means what? Any side we can see. AB, BC, AC also is A. So we can write in A place AD square is equals to 7AC square because AC is equals to A. Side, all sides are A we have taken here. AB, BC, AC. So we proved AD is equals to 7AC square. So this is the solution for question number 30. Now we can see question number 31 is prove that the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circles are equal. This is the circle theorem which is very important. For the explanation of this theorem you can refer my previous video where I have explained this theorem thoroughly. Question number 32 which is reduced for this year. This is question from area related to circle which is reduced for this year. Okay. Next question. In this question they have asked the choice. So this is also reduced which is from area related to circle. So question number 33 is construct a triangle with side 6 cm, 7 cm and 8 cm and then construct another triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the constructed triangle. So here you can see the sides of a triangle is given and the ratio is 3 by 4. That means numerator is smaller. When the numerator is smaller, triangles will come, constructed triangle will come inside the triangle. So for construction, even for the explanation of this problem, you can refer my previous video about construction where I have explained detail about all such types of problem. For the link, I'll send the link in the description box. Okay. Till 4th main we have completed. From 5th main, I'll continue in my next video. Do like and share. Thank you.